Hello guys, you're welcome to today's video. In this video, I will show you how to earn in dollar right from the comfort of your home. Alright, there's this opportunity that I want to share with you guys that allow you to earn in dollar. This opportunity is open to all, whether you're a Nigerian and outside Nigeria, it's open for you to implement and start making money online. Like I always do, this my channel is open for everyone who desire to make money online because I dey really dey research for new updates so that I go dey share with us because this Tinubu time no be time for us to play, alright, no be time for us to play. So that for us or as we dey do our hustle, we go still dey earn small thing take dey follow up. Alright, so if today is the first time of coming to my channel, please like this video, just subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you go dey get update whenever new video like this are posted. Alright, so with that said, now let me take you through this particular update I'm about to show to you now. Alright, this update is sharp and new. Alright, so now let's dive into this training. Okay, so the name of the site is called Share and Sell. Right, this is the name of the site. You can see it here. So this opportunity, this site here, allow you to register as an affiliate and start earning commission for every product. And there are so many products you can promote here. They have the web hosting, they have the electronic, they have the cosmetic and all. There are so many of them you can promote. Alright, so now if you come over to this site, like I always do, you don't just come here to share you any site that is not legit, that is not confirmed. This particular site is confirmed, as in the site e dey well. Alright, so if you come over to this place now, you can see where it says infinite partnership simply enabled. Can you see that now? It says increase online sales, monetize your content and all. Now look at it there, it says solution for merchant, solution for agency and solution for affiliate. That means it's a 3-in-1 site. You can be a merchant, you can be an agency, you can also earn as an affiliate. Can you see that now? You can see partner with brands you love, become a agency partner and all. Because what interests me most about this particular site is the part that says partner with brands you love. You can partner with brands like Namecheap if you are into web hosting company, Namecheap and all, and there are some other brands too like Amazon and the rest of them, they are here. You can partner with them and get your affiliate link which you can use to promote promote and earn commission. It's very easy for you to do. Now let me show you. If you come here now, you click on sign up, you click on sign up as an affiliate. Sign up as an affiliate. If you click on that, okay, so once you come over to this page, you can see where it says affiliate account creation. Affiliate account creation. Like I always advise, every site I'm bringing to my channel, they are legit websites. So it means that if you are coming here, be open to implement and also use your legit information. Alright, use your legit information. The one I will tell you not to use your information, use your own. I will also inform you, but this particular one I'm showing you now, use your legit information. Alright, so if you come here, you put your username, then you put your password, you put the same password you're using, you just confirm it, then you select your country. As you can see, these are lots of countries. They also allow Nigeria, so you don't need to be scared. You can see it here, Nigeria dey here. You can see Nigeria, you can put that here. Alright, put Nigeria. Okay, once you do that, you click on the next step. Alright, it's very easy. Just follow the step one after the other. Alright, one after the other. The moment you are done with this registration, it takes them like a day or two for them to approve your account. It takes them like a day or two for them to approve your account. Once your account is approved, you can see a whole lot of products you can promote. You can see a lot of products you can promote and start implementing. Alright, so this particular one on this particular site, let me go back. Let me open a new tab. So this particular site you are seeing here is mostly for different merchant, agency and affiliate which you can use to promote and earn a commission. So it means that the opportunity is open to you. It's left for you to implement and start earning. Alright, so once you create your account there, because they don't charge, it's free of charge. Alright, you don't pay anything for your account to be created. So once you're able to meet up the requirement, alright, you meet up the requirement and your account is created, you can start implementing all you have. So once you get your affiliate link, like this now. So once you depend on the products you are having, let me show you. Let me see if I can get some merchants here. All right, this is for affiliate. Now good. Now let's just explore the affiliate. All right, you click on solutions. All right, good. If you come to the solution part, let me see the tools. All right, so we'll explore it together because most of these sites is very good that you follow up the process. All right, you come over. Let me see the payment. You can see the way it works. So you can see their payments include different parts. So if you have a DOM account, you receive your money in dollar, you can be paid in dollar, and they have their support system is very active. All right, their support system is very active, and you can start using that to earn a commission. So this platform allows you to do that and start promoting. So if you get your affiliate link, once you are done with that, you get your affiliate link, you can go to site like Pinterest. You can go to site like Pinterest. All right, come to Pinterest. Alright, so you come to site like Pinterest and create your account. You can sign up for Pinterest, put your information. You can also sign up with Google. Alright, so once you get your link, you can come to site like Pinterest um and be posting. But then where I like most about this particular site is that the part that allows you to promote other businesses. Alright, if for example you are promoting for a web hosting company like Namecheap and the rest of them, you can get your affiliate link and start recommending to your friends and start promoting it. For everybody that use your link to buy, you automatically earn a commission. Alright, you automatically earn a commission. Alright, so this particular site is very good for those of you who are looking for a way to earn money in dollar. If you do that and you get your paid, you will be paid in dollar, and your money will be paid to your DOM account or any of the online platform. Alright, you get it so easy without having any stress. Alright, it's very good for those of you looking for a way to start making money in dollar. Alright, so try it out. If you have any challenge, just drop it in the comment section and I will respond to you via the comment section. Alright, thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. Click on this button, click on the subscription button if you are not done so you always be getting quality update. Alright, see you guys in my next video.